Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to follow someone on Phantom Wallet. So with the new update, you can now follow someone on Phantom Wallet. So in order to get that option, I would first recommend you to update your Phantom Wallet application. So in order to do it, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar, you need to search for the Phantom Wallet. Over here, if you see any update, you need to simply tap on the update option, and after updating and installing the update, you just have to tap on the open button and you need to launch your Phantom Wallet. Now once you are in your Phantom Wallet, in the top right hand corner of the screen, you need to tap on this search icon, and here in this search bar, you need to simply search for the exact username of the person to whom we want to follow on Phantom Wallet. For example, if I type my own username here in order to show you how it will look. So as you can see that this is my username, and the person's username will also look something like this. So here you need to tap on the username of the person whom you want to follow, and instead of the added profile option, because it is my profile, that's why it is showing me added profile, but for the other person you will see the option of follow here. So once you tap on the follow option, you will be able to easily follow that person on Phantom Wallet. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.